Nothing when no motors turn on when I turn the kill switch on. Ignition off. With the ignition on, all the correct lights turn on. Nothing shows that there's a fault code, and you hear some motors turn on, but they are like right around here. Somewhere I read that like the butterfly valves do something, the secondary butterfly valves, I don't know. But the fuel pump, I had the tank up, and the fuel pump's right here underneath the tank. I couldn't feel any vibration, I couldn't hear anything from the fuel pump when I turned the ignition to on, or when I turned the kill switch on. See if I can get you to hear it again. I'll turn it on with the camera down here. And then nothing with the switch. But it fucking starts. It wouldn't start on me 2 days ago. Now it's fine.